Today I'm gonna be cooking something special. Homemade pancakes with butter, syrup, and the drink of the day is Pete's coffee. Tastes great. Today I'm gonna be cooking something special. Some homemade pancakes from scratch and butter, syrup, everything on it. My mouth is watering already. And the drink of the day is Pete's coffee. Un cafecito para la mañanita, tú sabes. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 bowls, 1 dry bowl and 1 wet bowl. This is the dry bowl. You're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. I would like to thank everyone for their support. I really appreciate it. Please give me a tú sabes on the comments below. Subscribe, like, the bell. You know what to do, tú sabes. When you're done, get a whisk and it's time for a mixer-uppy. When you're done with that, it's time for the wet bowl. You're going to need 2/4 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 3 eggs. Expensive eggs. Make sure you mix them up before you put them in the wet bowl. And then it's time for a mixer-uppy, whisker-uppy. Then you get Mr. Wet Bowl, introduce him to Mr. Dry Bowl, get them together, and then it becomes a party. Now it's time for a mixer-uppy. So when you mix this, make sure you mix it like at 85%. It wants little lumps, it wants a little bumps, it wants character. It wants to be different from all the other pancakes. These pancakes will be more fluffy than the normal pancake. I would like to thank Epicurious for this recipe. I got it from him. Like I said before, every time I cook something on this channel, it's my first time. Never done it before. So I watch videos and just compare notes and just wing it. My pancakes didn't turn out like his, but you know what? They were really good. Next time, I know what to do next. As you can see here, I got 9 pancakes going. I'm happy. I'm excited. It's morning, coffee time, tú sabes. I love mornings. This griddle that my wife bought me for my birthday is awesome. I think these pancakes are ready to flip her up. What do you think? Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Give me a tú sabes on the comments below. Always cook them in butter. Butter makes a difference. Okay, I'm already counting which ones are mine. These 2 or that one. Let me see. Un cafecito, tú sabes. At this moment, I'm ready to go, man. Just watching and smelling all this for 30, 45 minutes? I'm hungry. Butter, syrup, everything on it, tú sabes. Nothing like pancakes made from scratch. And this is my favorite part. Oh yeah, that's right. Just pour it like that. I love it. Well, there you have it. Look at this. Less than 20 bucks, you can feed 4 people. The batter was made from scratch. Little coffee on the side, butter, syrup. What more can you ask for on a beautiful Sunday? It's beautiful. New year, it's time to get uncomfortable, moving forward, chasing your dreams. Stop procrastinating and delaying your future. Start keeping track of your time management. How are you spending your 24 hours? Working, family, your side hustle? How are you spending your 24 hours in one day? Keep track. Are you spending it with negative people? Are you spending it with negative activity? What are you doing in 24 hours on your day off, after work? Be safe. Live in the present moment. Enjoy your life. Life is too short. Tú sabes.